as you can see, I've been to Walmart. And I'm not really thinking of being a... Oh, come on now. I'm trying to do this one-handed. I have no intention of being a fox. But this is just too cool. And I'll tell you one thing. I'm impressed by this. For 15 bucks, this is not a bad mask. This is not a bad mask at all. And why do I like it so much? Oh my god. I keep dropping it. Why do I like this so much? Jesus God, I'm fucking retarded. Yeah, it's practically like a hand puppet. But even better than that, they actually have it so there's like foam inside so you can talk. I gotta show you this. I hope you appreciate the fact I'm wearing pants because I'm in my home and I usually don't wear pants. Yeah. A normal bathroom. So as you can see here, this comes with a strap, actually. I think you can see that. This strap actually goes around your head to ensure that it's flush with your face. Yippee! Okay, right away I'm seeing a problem with this. I can't see shit. I can't see shit in this. Also, I have to open up my mouth wide if I don't have this right. Oh my god, it's like my whole chin is like right here. Yeah, I go like this and I still can't see. This sucks. Actually, yeah, see this, like, you can talk normal, or you can talk, oh my god. Yeah, I'll have to adjust that a little bit, probably put more foam right around here, so it's more flush. Let me see. Yeah. Oh god. Yeah, this ain't working too well. I have to open up my mouth all retarded to get it to look right. Wait a minute, maybe I don't have the strap on right. Okay, that's a little bit better, but it's not perfect. It's far from perfect. I'll probably have to do a little bit of adjustment on this, but it should be okay once I mess with it. I hate how it's like I'm talking like Jim Carrey or something to make it sound right. Okay, I will fix this. When I'm done with this mask, it will look nothing at all like a fox. It'll look like my avatar. And that will be cool. God, this is really... let me see. There we go. Much better. Much better. Yeah. God. Yeah. I have to work on this quite a bit. It should be cool when it looks like a cat. Yeah, it won't look anything like this. Okay, enough of that. 15 bucks. Walmart, not bad. Not bad for a start on something I've wanted to do for a while. I can't even see what I'm looking at. Yep, no peripheral vision whatsoever. Yeah. I have fuzz in my mouth. And not the fun, sexy kind.